Let's see how to hide white space in print layout view in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And print layout view simply refers to this current setting in our document, this current layout, where we have we can see the document as it is, and it's also indicated by this print layout right here at the bottom right of our screen. Now, ho- to hide the white space in between these pages, there are two ways that we can do this. First is by clicking on the File tab. Now click on Options, and right here under Display, simply look for Show White Space Between Pages in Print Layout View. Now we currently have that enabled, therefore we can see the space in between those pages. And when we uncheck that and click on OK, you'll see that those spaces are now gone. And let's go ahead and simply return that. Another way that we can do this is by simply clicking in between these pages. So just double click to hide white space as indicated by this pop-up. And as you can see, the white space is now gone. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.